Hey guys, if you're having trouble either downloading or installing Minecraft, then stick with me until the end as I'm going to share with you all the different ways you can fix this issue. Unfortunately, there is not one fix-all solution, so you'll need to go through each of these steps to find the one that works for you. So the first thing we're going to try is clearing our DNS cache. Simply head over to the start menu by pressing the Windows key and search for CMD. And then you want to come over to this command prompt here and right click and make sure to run as administrator. In the black box here, we want to type in the following command and hit enter after each one. So the first thing you want to type in is ipconfig /release and hit enter. And then you want to type in ipconfig /renew and hit enter. And lastly, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. And then we can close off of this command prompt and attempt to reinstall Minecraft. Now, if that's not working for you, the next thing we can try is to make sure the time on our computer clock is set to automatic. Now, this may seem a little bit strange, but it's actually one of the most common causes for Minecraft installer to fail. Simply head over to the start menu and search for settings, and head to the settings icon, and then come into time and language, and select date and time. And you want to make sure where it says set time zone automatically, you want to make sure this is enabled to on. Another thing worth doing is to reset the Windows Store cache. And we can do this by coming to the start menu and searching for the word run and then selecting the run icon. Now in here you want to type in wsreset.exe and hit enter. I'll give it a couple seconds to clear the cache and then we can try reinstalling to check if the game is working. Now if none of that works, the next solution is to repair the Windows Store app by coming over to the start menu and searching again for the word settings. This time we want to come into apps and then click on installed apps. Come all the way down to the bottom where it says System Components, and then find the Microsoft Store and select the three little dots to the right and come into Advanced Options. And we want to scroll all the way down to this option where it says Reset and then just hit the Repair button. This may take a few seconds to complete, but once you've done this, you can then try checking again to see if the issue's been resolved. Now the last and final solution we can try if you're still experiencing installation or download issues is to come over to the Start menu and we want to search for Windows PowerShell. And make sure to right-click this and run as administrator. And inside the description of this video, I've included some text that you will need to copy and paste into this window. So you can do that just by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard and then hitting the enter button. Once we've done that, we can then just type exit and again hit enter. Once we've completed those steps, we'll need to restart our computer in order for the changes to take place, and then once again we can see if Minecraft will download. If you've tried everything in this video and you're still experiencing issues, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.